What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be reacting to Berywam Listen to the Sound featuring gospel. Now I know I'm not a big fan of gospel, but I haven't really heard anything Berywam has put out there yet. This was uploaded a week ago, so without further ado guys, we'll be reacting. Alright guys, let's see how this goes.
Il s'appelle, mais vraiment acclamation au groupe Berywam, champion, attendez, du monde de beatbox. Ce sont des Toulousains. Plus fort, plus fort, plus fort, plus fort, plus fort, plus fort, plus fort. Berywam.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I come to talk with you again, because the vision softly is creeping. Left its seas while I was sleeping, and the vision was planted in my brain, stirring within a sound. Pour Haïti. Let's go. Short to the wall. Sounds good.
I'm liking this so far.
Bon, maintenant je veux voir tout le monde se lever. Tout le monde se lève. Vous allez sauter avec nous. Est-ce que vous êtes prêts?
'It's not what I thought this would be, guys. that was definitely a different type of video I was not expecting. Very good. Again, I'm not in the gospel whatsoever, but that was a beautiful collaboration put together. You know, to me, when you're doing it for a cause, that's what makes it the best. Berywam was doing this for Haiti, and that right there, that's remarkable. But this right here was a very good video. You could definitely get lost into it, honestly. But you know, I haven't heard half of what you guys have been, recommending to me. I've got a long list that I'm tackling through day by day. And again, I appreciate all y'all for subscribing. If you guys are new here to the channel, smash that subscription button, turn on those notifications. I've got a lot more coming your way. And again, guys, keep those recommendations coming. Y'all have a great day.